Did you know some plants can brighten up a room without ever blooming a single flower? Foliage plants are all about stunning leaves, bold shapes, rich colors, and patterns that look like artwork. And the best part? Many of them grow even better in pots. Today, we're exploring the top 12 foliage plants that look absolutely beautiful in containers. Let's dive in. 1. Calathea. Calatheas are known for their patterned leaves that look hand-painted. They move slightly throughout the day, almost like they're alive. In pots, it's easier to control humidity, which calatheas love. Keep them in indirect light and watch them flourish with deep greens, purples, and silver stripes. 2. Chinese evergreen. Aglaonemas are perfect for people who want beauty without a lot of work. Their leaves come in silver, green, pink, and even red tones. They grow slowly and look fuller in containers. They're also one of the few plants that tolerate low light, a great choice for bedrooms or offices. 3. Dieffenbachia. Also called dumb cane. This plant has large leaves with creamy white patterns. It adds a tropical touch instantly. Dieffenbachias thrive in pots because they like evenly moist soil. Put them near a bright window and they'll reward you with fast, lush growth. 4. Philodendron birkin. Birkin has stunning white pinstripes on dark green leaves. It's compact, clean-looking, and very trendy in 2025. This plant stays neat and upright in mid-size pots. It prefers bright, indirect light and slightly moist soil. It's great for desks or coffee tables. 5. Rubber plant. Rubber plants have thick, glossy leaves that look classy in tall pots. Whether you choose the dark burgundy variety or the colorful variegated one, they stand out beautifully. They're tough, easy to grow, and love bright light. In containers, you can control their size so they don't get too tall. 6. Croton. Crotons bring bold colors, red, yellow, and orange mixed with green. In pots, their colors look brighter because the soil warms up faster. They need plenty of light to stay vibrant. If you want a plant that looks dramatic and lively, croton is a great pick. 7. Cordyline. Cordyline adds height and color at the same time. The leaves come in shades of purple, pink, and green. They love well-drained soil, which is easy to manage in containers. A little morning sun keeps their colors rich. They make excellent centerpiece plants. 8. Prayer plant. Marantas have leaves with unique red veins and folding habits at night. They thrive in pots because you can keep the soil lightly moist and the light soft. They're great for shelves and tabletops. They add movement and personality to any space. 9. Pothos. Pothos is one of the most forgiving plants out there. In pots, they grow long trailing vines that look beautiful hanging from shelves or balcony rails. They handle low light, mist waterings, and warm rooms. New pothos varieties in 2025 have brighter neon colors that stand out indoors. 10. Fittonia. Fittonia has tiny leaves with bold pink, white, or red veins. It loves humidity, which is easy to maintain in small pots. Fittonias make great desk plants because they stay compact. If they droop, don't panic. One good watering usually brings them back within hours. 11. ZZ plant. ZZ plants are almost indestructible. Their shiny leaves grow upright and look sleek in modern pots. They tolerate low light and dry soil better than most foliage plants. In 2025, many offices use ZZ plants because they handle air-conditioned rooms very well. 12. Alocasia. Alocasias have bold, arrow-shaped leaves that look dramatic and sculpted. Dwarf types do exceptionally well in pots because they don't take too much space. They prefer bright, indirect light and steady moisture. They're one of the best statement foliage plants for patios or sunny living rooms. Extra tips. Use well-draining soil to avoid root rot especially for tropical foliage. Wipe the leaves once a month to keep colors bright and dust-free. Rotate your pots to help plants grow evenly. Group humidity-loving plants together to keep them happy. If you enjoyed this list of beautiful foliage plants, tap the like button. Tell me which plant you want to add to your home next. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple and inspiring gardening guides.